Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete story on Facebook. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into the video. First, open your Facebook app. Then tap on here at the top right corner. Then tap on this G icon. Then tap on this search bar and type activity. Here, select activity log option. Scroll down and tap on view activity history. Then tap on filters. Then tap on categories. Tap on your posts and select your stories. Here you can see your stories. Tap on these three buttons and select delete to delete your story. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.